Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We have RCSD cars. Look at this, it's very nice. So now I'm going to show you to use it. You need a plus, so it's an A, and this is a battery to put on. Then watch, yes, look at this. Look here. Then also each other tail. Long race, come on. Oh. Come on. See? It's cool, okay? But look at that other gun. But look at this one. And we have a spawner. Look at this. People over here. Who's eating? Yeah, but thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and join to my channel. You guys. Please subscribe. Bye.